Hello, my name is Gottfried Sihler. I'm the CEO of ARKU Maschinenbau in Germany. We are a machine manufacturer for leveling machines, deburring machines and coil lines. Welcome to Forming Now. If you have a laser cut part or a punch part that comes out of your machine in prior processing with some distortion like this, the machine actually makes it fully flat and gives some stress relief to the machine, so you have easier follow-up processes like welding, like assembly, or a high precision bending process. Let me give you an example. I move it in, the metal is processed within seconds and it will come out fully flat afterwards. This helps to avoid rework. This helps to make your customer happy. This helps for easier bending and more precise bending, better welding and better assembly afterwards. It's a German-made machine. It's the most rigid and most reliable machine in the market with the highest level of accuracy in flatness.